Very good morning, children. Today, the chapter 21 World Heritage Sites. I will cover this chapter World Heritage Sites for you. In this chapter, we will learn about the heritage sites. First question: what are the heritage sites? How many heritage sites are found in India? And the pictures you can see in this chapter, we will learn that these sites are located in which part of the country or which part of the world, and why they are famous. Okay, so this is all about the chapter 21 World Heritage Site. So first thing which comes in your mind will be, what is the World Heritage, or what is the meaning of World Heritage Sites? So first thing is our World Heritage Sites. So it is important to understand the meaning. So the heritage sites of world are the designation for places on earth that are of outstanding universal value to humanity. It means there are so many places all over the world which are very, very important and valuable for the future generation. So it is important to save, to protect these sites for the future generation, and UNESCO has declared these important, valuable, outstanding, valuable universal sites for world heritage, or they are protected, they are being protected as a world heritage sites. So first thing is clear, I think, what is world heritage sites. So there are so many pictures, children. First picture is of Victoria Fall, second Petra, third Great Barrier Reef, fourth Grand Canyon, fifth is Angkor Wat, sixth is Lake Baikal, and seventh is Humayun Tomb. Of course, again there is a help box, pick me up, in which or from which we can take a help and we can pick the country name where these heritage sites are situated. So first thing, the first picture that we are going to take is Victoria Fall. So this is a Victoria Fall, and Victoria Fall. So this Victoria Fall is situated or located in South Africa, at western Zimbabwe. So this is the fall of South Africa. It is a South African fall, and exact location is the western Zimbabwe. Of course, it is given here the Zimbabwe. So first answer will be Zimbabwe. First answer will be Zimbabwe. The second is Petra. Now what is Petra, children? So you can see the temple, or see the monument, which is actually made by the pink sandstone cliffs. This is a very attraction for the tourist, and this is a major archaeological city, is located in Jordan. It is located in Jordan. It is an ancient archaeological, it is an ancient city of Greek ancient city, and it is a very famous archaeological site and a very great tourist attraction place. It is a temple made by the pink sandstone cliffs. Okay, so where it is found or where it is located? Of course, it is found in the, or located, the location of this Petra is Jordan. It is a monument also. It is a monument. Now the next is Great Barrier Reef. You can see the picture here, Great Barrier Reef. Actually, this is a world's largest coral reef found in the coast of Queensland, Australia. So this reef, coral reefs are found under the water, and the ridges, there are ridges, or the inside the deep sea there are ridges in which the corals are the maximum coral growths are there, and so that this Great Barrier Reef has been made. So ridge of coral in the sea found by the growth and deposition of corals. So this Great Barrier Reef is found in the Australia. It is also a World Heritage Site or World Heritage Place. Now the next picture shows the Grand Canyon. It is the Grand Canyon. You can see the valley. It is a ridge. It is actually a national park in Arizona. It is a national park. It is a national park around this, and it is actually found in the Colorado River Ridge. It is made in the Colorado River Ridge, located in the USA, United States of America. Okay, so it is a national park and a World Heritage Site also. So the location is USA. Now the next is Angkor Wat. You can see the temple. Yeah, this is the temple actually, and this temple is made by the King Suryavarman II, and it is location of this temple is the Cambodia. Yeah, this the location of this temple is Cambodia, and actually it is the religious monument, the largest religious monument where the tourists come to see the Buddha, come to see the designs and the architect of the temple. And this Angkor Wat temple actually means temple city. The meaning of Angkor Wat is temple city, and it is made by the King Suryavarman II. It is the location of this temple is Cambodia, the largest religious monument of the world. It is the largest religious monument of the world, and the location is Cambodia. Now the next sixth picture show having Lake Baikal. It is the Lake Baikal, and about the Lake Baikal I want to tell you that it is the ancient massive lake. It is the oldest ancient massive lake in the Siberia, Russia. It is the deepest lake of the world. It is the deepest lake of the world. Lake, you know, it is the deepest ancient lake of the world, and the location of this Baikal Lake is the Russia, Siberia. So the answer will be Russia. Now the last picture, Humayun Tomb. So this is actually the first garden tomb of Indian subcontinent. It is the first garden tomb of the Indian subcontinent. Now it is located at Nizamuddin, East Delhi, India. Nizamuddin, East Delhi, India, and it is also known as or called as Old Fort. It is Old Fort, and it was the first structure made by the red sandstone at this massive scale. It is made by the red sandstone. Okay, and it is the first garden tomb. Now, so this location is of course India. So basically I have told you so many things other than these pictures and the locations. First, that what is World Heritage Site. So children, learn the definition of World Heritage Site. Next, actually in India, the UNESCO has declared the total 38 World Heritage Sites. Means India has 38 World Heritage Sites. Okay, and now the froggy speaks. So froggy, what the froggy want to tell us? So the froggy says the Grand Canyon is about 450 km long and 1600-meter deep. Its temperature at the bottom is 14 degrees centigrade hotter than at the top. The Great Barrier Reef is the only structure made by living beings that can be seen from space. Oh wow, this is the very amazing fact. Means when you move, people go in the spacecraft in the space, they can see this Great Barrier Reef. Yes, the Great Barrier Reef is visible from the space, and this Great Barrier Reef, it is the only structure made up of living being. Okay, it is the only structure made up of living beings can be visible or seen from the space. So is it very amazing now? So children, please learn this one also. It is also important, and do this exercise of the chapter 21 World Heritage Site. World Heritage Site. So this is all for today. So thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.